Are you still struggling with the inconvenience, low security, and high costs associated with traditional key management? Are you still unsure about which lock to choose? Then why not learn about the Vanmalock system, which combines mechatronic keys, management software, and stainless steel locks. It is widely used in important scenarios and equipment such as outdoor power cabinets, data center computer rooms, oil drilling platforms, bank vaults. The Vanmalock can open multiple locks with one key. When managing multiple door locks, only one mechatronic key is needed to easily open all door locks, avoiding the inconvenience of carrying multiple keys. Traditional key management is complex, prone to confusion, and has low security. The Vanmalock lock body is made of high-quality stainless steel, which has excellent corrosion resistance and durability and can be used for a long time in various environments. Mechatronic key is an intelligent unlocking method that uses an electronic chip instead of a traditional mechanical key. First, you need to set the unlock time and personnel in the management software in advance for the key. But if you take the wrong key or in an emergency, you can temporarily apply for an authorized unlock. Even if the key is misplaced, it can still be temporarily used to open the door lock, effectively improving security, reducing costs, and improving management efficiency and convenience. The opening and closing of lock records are also an important function of the Vanmalock system. The management software can record the use of each key and lock, including the opening time, location, and user identity, among other information. This not only facilitates management but also provides more data support for security management, helping to better understand key usage and security status. The blacklist is also an important feature of mechatronic keys. When a key is lost or stolen, keys can be added to the blacklist through management software to prevent them from entering the protected area. The blacklist function can effectively improve security, protect important items and equipment, and avoid unnecessary losses and risks. Thank you for watching. We hope this video can help you better understand our products and assist you in making purchasing decisions. If you want to learn more or purchase Vanmalock, please visit our official website to contact us.